In Oklahoma, they had a very important referendum in this election. Can courts in the state take international or Islamic law into consideration when making legal decisions? Oh, thank God. This is finally being addressed. Islam was on the precipice of taking over Oklahoma, and it's about damn time somebody started fighting back. And apparently the good voters of Oklahoma agreed with me because they voted overwhelmingly to make sure that they shut out international and Sharia law. 70% said, get your Islamic law out of our courtrooms. Of course, the next question is, how are they going to handle all the cases in Oklahoma already decided by Islamic law? Oh, right, there are approximately none of those. There's this weird paranoia running through the country that Islam is about to take over. Really? Are there Muslim hordes at the gates of Tulsa? This is what happens when people drive a campaign of fear and hatred against an other. Even if it's completely fabricated, they convinced 70% of Oklahomans that this was a real problem in their state. The law's sponsor, Representative Rex Duncan, when given a Quran as a gift, even said, quote, most Oklahomans do not endorse the idea of killing innocent women and children in the name of ideology. Good. They share that with most Muslims. But look at the mindset. They really believe that Muslims are these evil creatures that kill innocent women and children. I don't know if they know this, but Muslims love their children too. By the way, this particular law has already been suspended by a federal judge before it even took effect. That's not because the court system can't wait to issue fatwas in Oklahoma. It's because you can't pass a referendum telling the courts what they can and cannot consider in their decisions. What if the good people of Oklahoma pass a law saying, we don't want no stick in Arkansas law being considered by our courts? That also wouldn't pass constitutional muster. And oh yeah, it's also clearly discriminatory against one religion. And it turns out there are actually about 20 to 30,000 Muslims in Oklahoma, which honestly I'm a little shocked by. I didn't know that. But I hate to break this to the good citizens of Oklahoma who voted this way. But as American citizens, those Muslims have the same exact rights as you do. Of course, conservative talk show hosts see this story and think, aha, Muslims aren't coming to Oklahoma. They're already there. Be afraid. Be very afraid. And that's how all this gets started in the first place.